What's up, guys? Tech Tony with Pathfinder Digital Marketing. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Now, I am a licensed Google data engineer, and I primarily specialize in educating small businesses on everything digital marketing. All of our educational content is 100% free, and all of our educational content goes over items that are either free or close to free that you can start implementing in your business today, right now. Google Ads, Bing, some SEO, Google My Business listing, and website design build-ins as well. So if there's something you want to learn particular and you don't see it in my YouTube channel, remember I do have TikTok. I have a blog that I update once a week, podcast as well. All this educational content is 100% free. Please, if you have any questions or concerns, reach out to me either in the comments on one of these videos, or you can hit me up directly on Twitter at HiTechTony. And as always, like, share, comment. It really helps keep all of the educational content that I create free for you to access. Have a great day.